Batteries. Big problem for all of us. Can we recharge them? How often? Something new is about to be revealed. Nuclear diamond batteries are now appearing to be a major changer in the global search for improved batteries. It is impossible to overestimate the importance of this battery, and better batteries enable you to use your electronic gadgets for longer periods of time. Imagine a situation where you wouldn't need to worry about charging your electronic devices so you could use them for several weeks at a time. Elon Musk and many other well-known scientists claim that the diamond nuclear batteries, which are now being produced, offer the solution to all of these issues. Given that nuclear power is currently leading at the charge globally, these batteries will completely alter the landscape of energy storage. It is one of the more effective energy producers. So what exactly is this diamond battery? And will Elon Musk use this battery in Tesla's electric vehicles? What are his thoughts regarding the state of the climate on Earth? The answer might shock you, so make sure to watch until the end. And please hit like and subscribe for more videos on Elon Musk. Nuclear diamond batteries, which are now under development by a number of prestigious companies, may represent the batteries of the future. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, is once again at the forefront, making bold promises and pepping up interest in the cutting-edge technologies he is creating. Online speculations currently claim that he will shortly reveal nuclear-powered electric cars. Several YouTube channels claim that Tesla is attempting to incorporate batteries produced by the California-based nanodiamond battery, or NDB, into its cars. What is expected from these batteries is crazy, as they are supposed to be able to run a spaceship or hospital for up to 280 years without ever requiring a recharge or replacement. This is due to the fact that they are powered by radioactive waste. The company announced its intention to start selling the batteries to commercial partners in 2021, saying it would do so within the next 2 years. A consumer-grade unit falling within this category may power an electric vehicle or a smartphone for up to 10 years. Now, does Elon Musk really intend to create a nuclear-powered Tesla vehicle? So far, nobody is certain. Elon Musk's use of the battery for his electric cars has not yet been confirmed by a credible source as of the time of this video. Therefore, we're still making assumptions at this moment. However, it's critical to keep in mind that NDB is a very genuine company with a potentially game-changing product. The company's method mainly involves creating an innovative nanodiamond treatment that extracts electric charges from the microscopic diamonds used in the battery. The team behind it makes a big deal out of the fact that these batteries emit no carbon dioxide, are safe for the environment, and can maintain their own charge for far longer than the lifespan or usage of any particular device. This suggests that you never have to worry about the battery running out because your device will charge itself. Naturally, cost is always a major problem with new technologies. NBD is likely now testing its products but has not yet made any disclosures about them. The company's partners will eventually take into account cost, and they will also need to evaluate how long these batteries are expected to last. In contrast, lithium-ion batteries, which are present in almost all modern electronics, start to lose their effectiveness after 5 years. The existing supply problems with the common components of the batteries now in use should also be considered. In April, Tesla disclosed that almost half of the vehicles built in the first quarter of 2022 would be delivered with lithium iron phosphate, or LFP batteries, as opposed to nickel and cobalt-based cells. Due to the ongoing conflict between Russia, a major producer of nickel, and Ukraine, Tesla's decision to transition to LFP batteries may influence other companies to do the same. More than a dozen businesses apparently intend to develop LFP battery plants in the US and Europe within the next 3 years. LFP batteries are extensively utilized in China and are increasingly reaching markets in the West. Elon Musk is reportedly concentrating more on boosting the cost and speed of Tesla's batteries right now than on developing whole new batteries. Elon Musk, whose company Tesla has built some of the largest battery storage systems on Earth, is undoubtedly the world's top advocate of sustainable energy, but we don't know what he has in the works, so there's always a chance that we'll see a Tesla car powered by nuclear energy at some point. In light of the continued growth of renewable energy sources like solar and batteries, Musk has said that he believes it is inappropriate to stigmatize nuclear power at this time. Along with helping Tesla reach new heights, he is also contributing $100 million to the X Prize Carbon Removal Challenge. The competition is already underway, with X Prize announcing its 15 milestone round winners in April. In a recent discussion with the Getting Stoned podcast, Musk underlined the importance of carbon capture and said that it's crucial to develop carbon storage technologies. Musk argued that it was necessary to lower the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere, measured in parts per million. According to Elon Musk, the technologies that will likely power the planet are batteries and solar energy. But for the time being, as the transition takes place, other options like nuclear power are not at all a bad choice. There is no doubt that it performs better than using dirtier energy sources, including coal and fossil fuels. Musk also predicted that the main long-term source of energy for humanity would be solar power. However, he insisted that until that transition is complete, nations must use nuclear energy. Musk is optimistic regarding the state of the climate on Earth. He said, "We will find a solution to the climate problem. It's just a matter of when." Musk did not provide a timeline to back up his climate optimism, but he stated that from the standpoint of sustainable energy, the climate issue will appear significantly better in 15 years. Musk emphasized that Tesla's first goal is to address the problem. Elon Musk seems to be passionate about renewable energy, so it's possible that work on a new solar battery is already beginning. What do you think about these new batteries? Tell us in the comments. Check out our channel for more videos if you like this one. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't forget to hit the like button.